I'm above it. It's a great day that we have finally signed the One Kenya Alliance Coalition Agreement. When we postponed and said we needed time to fine-tune the clauses, the naysayers thought that was the end of One Kenya Alliance. We have bounced back stronger. We were 4 parties. We are 6 today and still counting because more are on the way. A coalition demands openness, mutual respect, sharing of ideals, and when any party feels uncomfortable, they should be able, with notice to others, to walk away, because it is a coalition of the willing. We have stayed together without any formal agreement, not with a gun to our heads, but because we were willing to associate with one another. We are going to build from strength to strength, and OKA will demand from other coalition partners, if we were to go into any other coalition, openness. We will not tolerate opaqueness. We will not play second fiddle. We go in as equals and we discuss as equals, even when we agree, because if we are in a larger coalition, if we decide, as we might, to field a presidential candidate, all the 7 parties cannot field, we will cede to one out of mutual agreement. We go to a larger coalition. We don't want to be told this is predetermined. Yes. We want total openness, mutual respect, and equality. Yes. So that if we cede ground, we cede because we think this is the thing to do, not with a gun to our head. What has the market waters of coalitions in Kenya is lack of transparency, that you're laughing with somebody and signing, and they have a dagger to your back. In OKA, we have said we cannot maintain unity if we are not completely open to one another. Now Kenya is very comfortable in OKA. Our party slogan since inception is One Kenya, One Nation, One People. Never mind the order in which we say it in OKA. It's the same thing. It's about unity. You cannot make a nation without unity. You cannot make a coalition without unity. OKA is about enhancing the unity of Kenyans, making it our rallying call so that we can build a stronger Kenya and we can stop seeing ourselves as our communities, but we see ourselves firstly as Kenyans because our fate is tied together. Long live OKA.